2013 F-150. Threw the code for the driver control module that runs the fuel pump. Changed it. Couldn't figure out why it wasn't starting. Well, that driver control module, when it went out, blew the fuel pump fuse right there. That second fuse is supposed to be at 20. That's it. I robbed it from the heated mirrors and put it at 15 right there just so we can get to O'Reilly's and change it. But when you blow out a driver control module that runs the fuel pump, don't forget to check your fuses. Run you in fucking circles.